शहजाद ने एस ऑफ स्पेस काफ़ी अच्छे से सरवाइव किया है, तो बिग बॉस में कितने दिन तक सरवाइव कर पाएंगे?
See, मेरे हिसाब से तो he should definitely win the show. I never expected Shahzad to get so angry, but you know, वो एक नया रूप था. These seniors are behaving like seniors. You know, imagine a Shehnaz Gill entering, an Imam Siddiqui entering, or a Dolly Bindra entering as seniors. You know, that's when these are the people who would give you spice. See, Rubina, I like her because I have seen her taking her own stance.
Yeah.
You know, she's been very vocal. Jasmine का मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है वो बहुत ज़्यादा suppressed हो रही है. Like उनका और एजाज का भी कुछ सीन था, so you know, she sorted it, and then I think Siddharth Shukla told her that you know, क्यों ये कर दूँगी वो कर दूँगी और चुप हो गई. She's like नहीं मैं no. I'm sure even Siddharth Shukla is okay to meet Asim Riaz. But you know, in the show, भाई बहन दोस्ती यारी थोड़ी कम हो, एक लिमिट तक की हो तो इट्स फाइन.
वेलकम गाइस टू टेलीचस्का. और आज हमारे साथ है शहजाद के बेस्ट फ्रेंड जो हमें उनके बारे में कुछ चीज़ें बताएंगे अननोन, एंड उनसे पूछते हैं कि उनको शहजाद को बिग बॉस के घर में देखकर कैसा लग रहा है.
सी आई एम तो फीलिंग वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि यू नो बिग बॉस इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे जाओ तो सब चीज़ देखने मिलती है. एंटरटेनमेंट, मसाला, एंड यू नो पूरा इस साल हम सिर्फ रुकते हैं कि कब बिग बॉस आएगा, यू नो कौन से कंटेस्टेंट्स होंगे, कौन होगा, एंड लुकिंग एट योर ओन ब्रदर एंड बेस्ट फ्रेंड, इट्स अ वेरी अमेजिंग फीलिंग टू यू नो हैव हिम इन बिग बॉस.
ओके सो वेल, आप क्योंकि एस ऑफ स्पेस में शहजाद के साथ काफ़ी टाइम थे साथ में, सो वेल उनकी एक कौन सी चीज़ है जो बहुत ज़्यादा यू नो इरिटेट कर सकती है, लाइक बिग बॉस के घर में उनके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो सकती है?
अभी तक के बिग बॉस में दिखा नहीं है, पर शहजाद इतना फ्लर्ट करता है, इतना फ्लर्ट करता है. लाइक वो हमेशा ऐसे बोलता था एसो स्पेस में कि मैंने एक सूटकेस एक्स्ट्रा लाया दिलों का, यू नो कि मैं जहाँ जाता हूँ मैं वहाँ दिल दे देता हूँ. सो यू नो वो अब तक बिग बॉस में देखने नहीं मिला है. बट येस, यू नो आई थिंक girls might like it or might won't like it. Just say Maisha here after a point she was just so irritated. I don't want him to hit on me so much. But then you know, girls are girls. Sometimes they like that slightly smooth flirting. So yeah, I think this can put him in a problem or might irritate the other fellow contestant, female fellow contestants.
ओके सो आप बता रहे कि वो दिल का सूटकेस यू नो एक और लाए थे, लेकिन बिग बॉस की प्रीमियर नाइट जब हुई थी तब हमने देखा था कि सारा को इम्प्रेस करना था शहजाद को, एंड वहाँ पे सारा जो है वो उनसे इम्प्रेस नहीं हुई, निशान से हो गई. सो देन घर में हमने देखा कि बॉन्ड भी बनी सारा एंड शहजाद की, तो उसके ऊपर आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
So I feel this was very weird कि you know maybe she might be having a bad day. or maybe she was like it's okay, घर में तो आने वाले दोनों ही हैं, you know, like that way. Because see, I saw a really good bond between Shahzad and Sara in the house, but on the premiere night, you know, they might have just got to know each other, but in the house they spend time with each other, and people have seen the premiere also the whole show, you know, whatever's till ever how much ever episodes have come up right now, so they नो कि यू नो एक्चुअल में किसने बाजी मारा, यू नो लाइक दैट वे.
ओके, एंड हमने देखा कि सारा के जाने के बाद शहजाद थोड़ा यू नो इफेक्टेड भी हो गए थे. सो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से अबाउट दैट?
सो सी वहाँ पे समझ में आता दैट यू नो ही वाज जस्ट गेटिंग टू नो समवन एंड गेटिंग कनेक्टेड विद समवन, एंड बिग बॉस इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म एंड अ शो और एनी रियलिटी शो, यू नीड समवन लाइक यू नो you want to have that mental support that okay I am with you, and if that is taken away, people really are like shaken to the core, you know, क्योंकि बाहर का 10 दिन वहाँ का एक दिन होता है, you know, imagine there's nothing. I have been in a worse show, but yeah, this is nothing. And when I say worse, as in we couldn't see the sun, light, nothing, only a small place, that's it.
ओके सो शहजाद ने एस ऑफ स्पेस काफ़ी अच्छे से सरवाइव किया है, तो बिग बॉस में कितने दिन तक सरवाइव कर पाएंगे?
सी मेरे हिसाब से तो ही शुड डेफिनेटली विन द शो, ओके, बिकॉज आई हैव टू बी वेरी ओपन अबाउट कि भाई मेरा तो भाई है, मैं तो चाहूँगा कि वो तो शो जीते. हाँ, बट यू नो व्हेन इट्स अबाउट सर्वाइविंग he is a tough competitor. He might not do drama, he might not do unnecessary or unwanted fights, but yes, if it's about surviving or given task or given opportunity to come, बोलते हैं ना कि opportunities पे खरा उतरना, he can do it like that because he's a very strong headed person, you know, and उसके अंदर का फिर वो जाट बाहर आ जाता है
जो कल एपिसोड में हमने देखा था कि एजाज और उनके साथ
I swear I never expected शहजाद to get so angry, but you know वो एक नया रूप था जो बिग बॉस में देखे, वो एक you know पंजाबी मुंडा प्यार में गिरने वाला, सिंपल सेम सॉर्टेड, और सबसे पहला झगड़ा उसका बिग बॉस एस ऑफ स्पेस में मेरे साथ हुआ था, but then see we turn out to be really close and today I'm here for him, you know. So similarly I feel it's just that you know it's the beginning. What we see is 1 hour, what they have gone through is 24 hours.
Yes.
So what happened we might not have seen, an unseen अनदेखा में, you never know.
यस ऑफ कोर्स. एंड इसके अलावा घर में बाकी कंटेस्टेंट्स भी है, सो आपका मतलब कि आपको कौन लगता है बोल्ड निखर के आई है या इम्यूनिटी के लिए जो भी टास्क हुआ है उसमें किसका आपको असली रूप देखकर मजा आया?
सी मजा तो ऑनेस्टली सबको देख के आया बिकॉज यू नो दे ऑल वर इक्वली समवेयर और द अदर, दे ऑल opened up a little.
Yes.
Okay. But if you say who is my favorite after Shahzad, I would say definitely Pavitra.
Okay.
You know, because I love how she is, you know, and she makes statements like this is this and this is that. Like also she made a statement that, you know, हर कोई गेम खेल रहा है but सिर्फ उसको कवर अप कर लेते हैं इनमें. Similarly, you know, you need guts to do that. And not everyone is opening up. People are just being nice to each other. That's what I feel.
ओके. एंड ऐसा भी देखने मिल रहा है कि एजाज एंड पवित्रा का रिश्ता बन रहा है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं एजाज थोड़ा कतरा रहे हैं थोड़ा क्लोज जाने के लिए. सो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू कमेंट अबाउट दैट?
See, honestly, I think like I said, you know, you need a support in the house, be it as friends, girlfriend, boyfriend, brother, sister, this and that, whatever. But you need that slight support of someone being in the house with you. I don't know what Ejaz must be thinking, but Pavitra is, I think she's quite hot and beauty with brains, so he's taking a wrong decision not going close to her. But yeah, I think you never know.
Yes.
Maybe he is like Sarah, maybe he's just not getting agreed right now. Maybe later.
Okay. एंड यहाँ पर निकी जो है उनका तो फर्स्ट जैसे ही जो रूप देखने मिला है, सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक पीपल आर कॉलिंग इट लाइक शी इज़ वेरी फेक एंड उनको सीनियर्स का काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिला है. सो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दिस?
सी इफ सीनियर्स का सपोर्ट मिला है इट मीन्स शी इज सर्विंग व्हाट दे वांट. ओके, क्योंकि दे हैव बीन सीनियर्स. जो हम देख रहे हैं हमें नहीं पता. We can either be very judgmental and say कि you know God कितना ड्रामा कर रही है, कितना मेकअप चाहिए इसको, क्या क्यों ज़रूरत है ये वो. But seniors they must have seen कि क्या हो रहा है. हो सकता है that she might be dramatic but not 24/7. She might be someone who takes stands but that looks very dramatic, you know. So I feel that she is like, you know, since day one, like, you know, whatever you say, so she is just going in her zone. But yeah, I feel that that can be really harm her. You know, it can reflect her against as the person she is. You know, people after a point they don't like it.
Yeah.
Even the seniors or maybe, you know, the host or the contestants who are with her maybe won't like it after a point.
ओके. एंड इस बार ये भी कहा जा रहा है कि जो सीनियर्स को घर में रखा गया है उसकी वजह से जो बाकी कंटेस्टेंट्स है उनकी रियल पर्सनालिटी निखर के नहीं आ रही है. सो डू यू थिंक कि सीनियर्स का शेड है इसलिए अब भी पर्सनालिटी निखर के नहीं आ रही है और व्हाट?
Definitely I think that way. Because see, student won't fight until the class teachers don't leave, you know. So I think the class teachers have got their share in their season. I think it's time for the ones who are there, because I think it's discrimination. You know, it's not done. Seniors have been there.
Yeah.
But Big Boss is never run because of seniors. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like imagine
It's
if you
full
if you put up Dolly Bindra in this season, I think people will fight with her only. You know, so seniors, it's pointless to just put someone as teachers. This is what I think, that you know they have put seniors for what, to give them rules, because now वो Big Boss का spice नहीं आ रहा है.
Yeah.
क्योंकि you know you wanna hear Big Boss's voice, that okay, this is the task given. I know this might be a different concept altogether,
Yeah.
but as you know, as audience, what we've been seeing in past years, you know, there's something new, so people might like it, but I'm finding it a little weird that you know, oh, I have seen them, like, why strange, but it's nice. Like, I don't mind because I'm already a Gohar Khan fan, so yeah.
ओके सो गौहर जो है वो काफ़ी अच्छे से सुलझी हुई सी घर में नज़र आ रही है, काफ़ी कंटेस्टेंट्स को टिप्स भी दे रही है. सो आपको उनको देखकर कितना मज़ा आ रहा है?
See, like I said, you know, I'm her fan.
Yeah.
So she has been known for taking stands in her season. You know, she fought, she fell in love, she gave us everything.
Yes.
Okay, and today, when I think, see, you know what happens when you give advice to someone, you tend to stop them being themselves. Like Shehzad, when he was about to enter, I just told him best of luck, and you know, just be who you are. That's what he's doing. But you know, if I tell you that don't do this, do that,
Yeah.
I'm trying to stop you from being you. That's when you're being me. You know, a host can tell them what is right, what is wrong.
What is wrong?
You know, but giving tips to someone to behave in a certain way can make them shadowed with the seniors, you know, advices. And that's why maybe people also feel that, you know, the fellow contestants are being shadowed by the seniors. So yeah.
ओके सो अब ऐसी न्यूज़ भी आ रही है कि प्रतीक सहजपाल पवित्रा के एक्स बिग बॉस के घर में एंट्री लेने वाले हैं. सो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से?
Really? वो enter हो रहे हैं? I don't know. But see, I think if Pratik is going, okay, and I'm sure there will be too much of blast happening in the show, okay. I am desperately waiting to see Pavitra's reaction, because you know, after they broke up,
Yeah.
they have never met, okay, and now suddenly meeting where there are cameras 24/7, how they will react. Will they fight? Will they be friends? Did they break up on a good note or a bad note? Because I am a person, I will never ask you if you're not comfortable that why did you break up. So till today I don't know why he broke up. But Pavitra on a national television, she clearly mentioned
Yeah.
why they broke up. Okay, that's when I got to know. So I feel that, you know, it'll be very spicy to see what's going to happen, because you know Pratik is someone वो चुप नहीं बैठने वाला. Trust me. और ये मुझसे अच्छा कोई नहीं जानता, वो चुप नहीं बैठने वाला, और ना वो चुप बैठता है. You know, he will fight, and then I think Big Boss will pick up after Pratik enters, and a few more.
Okay, so would you like to mention who are a few more?
I don't know, but I just think that, you know, some ex Splitsvilla contestants should go, because they know, you know, how to function. And I feel, you know, someone really, like some girl who has too much of spice should enter, who's really bold and outrageous.
Oh, okay, so
Would you like to give me some names? So I don't know, maybe I can comment on that.
I have heard that Naina Singh would enter the house.
Then gone. I think all the girls will have a tough competition, because Naina is someone who gives competition to guys and girls.
Yeah.
You know, she is someone who's bold, smart, and confident. And it's very rare to see, you know, that girls who are outrageous, beautiful, and confident. And you know, she is very intelligent.
Okay.
She knows whatever she will do it, and she will make sure people will listen to her, because she's very adamant.
Yeah.
You know, and I love Naina. I think Naina and Pratik, if they are going, they will blast the Big Boss house. And trust me, we're gonna have a really huge time, because अभी तक के ना लोग open up नहीं हुए.
Yeah.
And Pratik and Naina जाके वो लोगों को इतना कुछ ब्लास्ट कर देंगे कि लोगों का असली रूप आई थिंक तब आएगा अगर वाइल्ड कंटेस्टेंट्स आए. That's when I think people will open up. Because right now they are being shadowed by, you were right that, they are being shadowed by the
Seniors.
seniors. Yeah.
ओके सो इट इज़ बीइंग सेड कि कुछ और सीनियर्स जो है वो घर के अंदर एंट्री लेने वाले हैं. सो वुड यू लाइक टू सी एनी मोर सीनियर्स और इट शुड बी लाइक गेम विदाउट द
See,
सीनियर्स?
if there are seniors, no, right now what is happening, there's no fun in the seniors. These seniors are behaving like seniors. Imagine a Shehnaz Gill entering, an Imam Siddiqui entering, or a Dolly Bindra entering as seniors. That's when these are the people who would give you spice.
Yes.
This is why we love Big Boss. We don't want to see a season where it's just boring and people are like just sitting with each other or just talking about what they had in past or what they want to become in future or their nails or their makeup or the eyeliner or I don't know what they're wearing or stilettos. No. We want to see them giving us masala, which they are known.
Yeah. So अब यहाँ पे हम ये कह सकते हैं कि वाइल्ड कार्ड के बाद शायद सीन पलट सकता है.
Yeah, definitely. And जो नाम अभी हमने लिए हैं प्रतीक एंड नैना, ये दो जाके आई डोंट नो ये लोग क्या करने वाले हैं. बट तब से तो I think watch it on repeat क्योंकि I know Pratik is someone and Naina is someone, they are just like a male and a female version of the same self.
Okay.
They are like those souls which are like God has given, one in a male body, one in a female body. Both are, in Hindi you say na कि किसी के बाप से नहीं बनने वाले. They are like that. They will just say whatever they have to. And they both of them knows how to remove their anger in a right way.
Yeah.
They will never harm someone because both are my friends, so I know they will never harm you. But yeah, if you disturb them or rub them in a wrong way, they won't spare.
Okay. And टीवी के कुछ पर्सनालिटीज भी घर के अंदर है, रूबीना, जैस्मिन. So what would you like to comment about their personalities?
See, Rubina, I like her because I have seen her taking her own stance.
Yeah.
She's been very vocal about it. Jasmine का मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है वो बहुत ज़्यादा suppressed हो रही है. Like लोग उसे दबा रहे हैं. कहीं ना कहीं ये दिखने में आ रहा है. And she's also very okay by sorting it.
Okay,
like उनका और एजाज का भी कुछ सीन था. So she sorted it and then I think Siddharth Shukla told her that
yes.
क्यों ये कर दूंगी वो कर दूंगी और चुप हो गई. She's like नहीं मैं no. It's a show. Everything will be fine. Today, I'm sure even Siddharth Shukla is okay to meet Asim Riaz. But in the show, भाई बहन दोस्ती यारी थोड़ी कम हो, एक लिमिट तक की हो तो it's fine. Because no one wants to see your रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है, So yeah, I think हमने बहुत टेलीसोप्स देख लिए हैं क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहुत ही हमें और भाई बहन नहीं देखना है. You either show us love or war. There shouldn't be any in between.
Okay, and lastly आप बिग बॉस के फैंस को, अपने फैंस को, शहजाद के फैंस को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Guys, we have really missed you in these long hours of I think 9 to 10 months or the still going on months of being quarantined at home. Please be safe. We all love you and I'm sure individually you guys also missed us, seeing us on the television and our drama and our masala. We loved you equally back and hopefully the new year and the upcoming year will bring us a lot of health, wealth, because we have been really broke these years. But yeah, I think the upcoming year we should just hope for the best. And I think please be safe, wear mask and take care of yourself. That's the most important thing. Don't take anything lightly.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.